puppy and my granddaughter. Yesterday when she got here, he was just all over her. Just wanted to kiss her and lick her and everything, all over. And now he's just laying there quietly by her. Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. What you doing, Gracie? You trying to walk around that baby again? What? You trying to walk around that baby? Yeah. Are you watching over the baby? You watching over my grandbaby? Don't wake her up. Apollo. Do not wake her up, Apollo. Apollo. You come over here. Lay down, Apollo. You come over. You let that baby sleep. You let that baby sleep. No, Apollo, no. Yeah, blurry TV cartoon show. But if I turn it off, she wakes up. Larry, put some wood in the fire.